Hey everyone, good evening. This is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. Welcome back once again to my YouTube class. So, I'm really happy to announce you that I'm planning to provide you one more playlist based on Azure Administrator, because you know that I have already uploaded multiple playlists related to the Azure, like as a Azure Administrator, Azure Architect, Azure Virtual Desktop. Even we recently started Azure Security and Azure Architect as well. So what I'm going to do, basically it's a core related to the request. You can say that it's a requested training, or you can say that it's a basically on demand training, because I'm getting lots of requests on my WhatsApp number, and also getting lots of comments on our YouTube channel. So basically this playlist is dedicated to our international viewer, because they requested you should create a playlist in English. So basically I'm planning to provide you complete content based on Microsoft Azure AZ-104 in English, that you can understand each and every steps. As it is, we'll provide you 100% live practical, because you know very well about the Teach Me Cloud. I'll always try to give you powerful content in the sense I'll try to give you the 100% live practical without skipping any step. So this is all about AZ-104. So and one more update, I just wanted to update one more thing. So from today, I'm planning to give you 2 videos on daily basis, right? One video is dedicated to our international candidate, one video to dedicated to our you can say that domestic viewer. So one in English, one in Hindi. I'll try to upload 2 videos on daily basis, that you can learn every day, right? That you can learn every day, just like offline or online classes, right? So in case of our domestic, in case of our Hindi videos, so in Hindi videos I'll try to provide the content of Azure Security, as we know that, Azure Architect, and Azure Virtual Desktop as well. And sometime we'll provide you content related to the AWS Solution Architect Associate. But definitely I'll try to upload one video for our international candidate. Now I'm just going to start from AZ-104, latest topic, AZ-104 based on the latest content, you can say that. And once we complete the part of Azure Administrator, we will move ourselves to the next certification or next training, right? So let's start. First of all, you know very well about we must need to know about the content, we must need to know about the roadmap which is required to crack the examination, to crack the interview related to the Azure Administrator. So what I'm going to do, as we know that the course code for Azure Administrator is AZ-104. You just need to open Google and type AZ-104. It will redirect you on the page of curriculum. So now it is categorized in 5 different modules, you can say that, right? First one is Azure, manage Azure identity and governance, implement and manage storage, deploy and manage compute resources, configure and manage virtual machine, monitor and maintain the Azure resources. So you know very well about the changes of our Azure Administrator content, right? So if we talk about the content, as administrator contents in 2021, so it's totally different, because in case of 2021 based content, we need to start our training from storage, but now they make lots of changes regarding to the administrator content. So we'll start from the very basic, and we'll try to follow the 100% curriculum based on this particular page, right? So like, see, we just need to know about the prerequisite. This is the first topic. Then discuss about the manage identity and governance in Azure, then implement and manage storage, then try to understand about concept of compute resources, configure and manage virtual network, and we know that we need to know about the monitor and backup resources. So these all are module, right? And each and every module contain up to 8 to 10 different content. So it's our responsibility, we must need to know each and everything. And let me show you the topics that we need to cover in module wise. So let's start with the First module is manage identity and governance, but we also need to know about the prerequisite because it's really important. You must need to know about, if you plan to be a expert as a Azure administrator, you should know about what are the prerequisite, means how we can utilize our current experience with the Azure administrator series, right? So in case of our Azure administrator, the first topic is related to manage identity and governance in Azure. So in this case, we need to know about the introduction, just the introduction, why it is important. Describe Azure Active Directory, which is backbone of our Azure administrator, right? So because you know that as per the name suggests, the meaning of administrator, you are responsible to manage each and everything. I'm not talking about related to implement the services only, right? You are responsible to manage the services, monitor the services, security, billing, each and everything. Means as a administrator, it's our responsibility. We need to manage each and every resources. So we'll start from the very basic, like as Active Directory services. Active Directory contain n number of topics, like as we need to know about the benefits and about the Active Directory concept, why it is important, Active Directory domain services, like how to manage the Azure AD join, Azure AD connect, about the object, properties, tenant, right? Password hash, password reset, lots of content that we need to cover in case of Active Directory. So guys, I'll try to give you the complete information, like as a based on this particular page. Let's talk about the prerequisites for Azure administrator. So in case of prerequisite, see, in case of prerequisite, you should know about how we can sign up ourselves over Azure Portal, how many types of subscriptions are available, and we should know about the number of resources, number of important components, like as a cloud sales, CLI, right? And we must need to know about how we can use our Azure services with the help of cloud cell, with the help of CLI, because you know that each and every, I'm not talking about only the Azure, each and every cloud provider can give us option to access our resources with the help of GUI, a console, and we can also access our services with the help of you can say that by using CLI or any programmatic tool like as SDK or PowerShell, or you can say that bin or bash as well. We'll discuss about the resource manager. We'll try to understand about the concept of template, ARM template, why it is important, because you know that it is also a response. It's also our responsibility to know about the automation services. And Azure Resource Manager, ARM template can help us to manage the services automatic, means we just need to make few changes in our existing template and we are able to execute the template and get a services, right? So this is our agenda, guys, and I hope all of you suggest me, means if in case if any suggestion required, you're most welcome, guys, because you know that it's fully depend upon you. It's your own channel, so it you are fully free from my side. You can suggest anytime, you can give a suggestion, you can means highlight the negative things of this particular channel, so you are fully open. So this is the basic information, guys, that I'm planning to provide you. So let's start our training from tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll give you the basic information, like the prerequisite of Azure administrators, right? So that's it, guys. We'll connect in our online class. Yes, it's just like an online class, so especially dedicated to our international candidate, and you're most welcome in our YouTube channel, guys. Thank you, and please do subscribe and press the bell icon that you can get a notification whenever we upload any video on our channel. Right? Thank you, take care, and bye bye.